Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 36 and teach you how to use I used to in our day-to-day life. For example, he used to work in a factory. Now he works in a supermarket. So you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 36. I used to. Section A. They a few years ago. I work in a factory. They today. I work in a supermarket. I used to work in a factory. They used to work in a factory. Now he works in a supermarket. You can refer the timeline as well. They used to work in a factory. It means he worked in a factory before, but he doesn't work there now. Section B. You can say, I used to work, she used to have, they used to be, etc. I used to be, I used to work, I used to have, I used to play. You used to be, you used to work, you used to have, you used to play. We used to be, we used to work, we used to have, we used to play. They used to be, they used to work, they used to have, they used to play. He used to be, he used to work, he used to have, he used to play. She used to be, she used to work, she used to have, she used to play. It used to be, it used to work, it used to have, it used to play. When I was a child, I used to like chocolate. I used to read a lot of books, but I don't read much these days. Lisa has got short hair now, but it used to be very long. They used to live in the same street as us, so we used to see them a lot, but we don't see them much these days. Helen used to have a piano, but she sold it a few years ago. The negative is I did not used to. When I was a child, I did not used to like tomatoes. The question is, did you used to? Where did you used to live before you came here? Section C. We used to only for the past. You cannot say I used to for the present. I used to play tennis. These days I play golf. Not I used to play golf. We usually get up early. Not we used to get up early. Now it's time for exercises. 36.1. Look at the pictures. Complete the sentences with used to. Number 1. This is me a few years ago. She used to have long hair. Number 2. When I was younger, he used to play football. Number 3. I am a hairdresser now. She used to be a taxi driver. Number 4. We live in London now. They used to live in the country. Number 5. This is me 20 years ago. I never wear glasses now. He used to wear glasses. Number 6. This building used to be a hotel. 36.2. Karen works very hard and has very little free time. A few years ago, things were different. Do you do any sport? Yes, I swim every day. Number 1. She used to swim every day. I play volleyball. Number 2. She used to play volleyball. Do you go out much? Yes, most evenings. Number 3. She used to go out most evenings, or she used to go out a lot. Do you play a musical instrument? Yes, the guitar. Number 4. She used to play the guitar. Do you like reading? Yes, I read a lot. Number 5. She used to read a lot, or she used to like reading. Do you travel much? Yes, I go away 2 or 3 times a year. Number 6. She used to go away 2 or 3 times a year, or she used to travel a lot. 36.3. Complete these sentences. Use, used to, or the present simple. I play, he lives, etc. Number 1. I used to play tennis. I stopped playing a few years ago. Number 2. Do you do any sport? Yes, I play basketball. Number 3. Do you have a car? No, I used to have one, but I sold it. Number 4. George used to be a waiter. Now he is the manager of a hotel. Number 5. Do you go to work by car? Sometimes, but most days I go by train. Number 6. When I was a child, I never used to eat meat, but I eat it now. Number 7. Mary loves watching TV. She watches TV every evening. Number 8. We used to live near the airport, but we moved to the city center a few years ago. Number 9. Normally, I start work at 7 o'clock, so I get up very early. Number 10. What games did you used to play when you were a child? This is the end of unit number 36. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 37. Till then, Bye bye.